Mental health challenges are on the rise, and no workplace is immune. Just consider the sobering fact that millions of employees are silently battling emotional stress every day. With soaring stress levels, plummeting well-being, and strained relationships, the workplace mental health crisis is all too common. EasyLlama's groundbreaking mental health awareness course can empower your team with the knowledge they need to fortify your workplace, challenge misconceptions, and prioritize emotional wellness. Our comprehensive training suite encompasses everything from understanding mental well-being to recognizing signs of mental health struggles. Modern content and real-life video scenarios will help your employees break down barriers around mental wellness, empowering people to provide meaningful support to others. Your employees will benefit greatly from mental health training and enhanced emotional intelligence, stronger team collaboration, reduced stress levels, and overall improved well-being. And with over 7,000 happy customers, you'll know that you can trust us to improve the health of your organization. Reducing stigma and creating a supportive atmosphere are fundamental to mental well-being. By challenging stereotypes and promoting understanding, we create safe spaces where mental health discussions are welcome. Ready to take the first step toward a healthier, more supportive workplace? Access your free course preview today.